Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And let's get started with charging case controls. So right here inside the case we have connectional button. If you put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold it for at least 3 seconds, you will enter to pairing mode. If you press and hold it for at least 8 seconds, you will perform a factory reset. So you will see the LED light on your earbuds that it's flash purple. It means that you perform a factory reset, then you need to reconnect them with the phone. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video on this channel. We have it. Okay, next one. We have earbuds, and at the back side of each earbud we have touch area. So right here we have it, and let me play some song. If you press one time at your right earbud, and first I will show you a default controls, then I will show you how to customize them. So press one time, and as you can see at this widget, I just increase the volume. To lower it, you need to press one time at the left earbud. So press on it, and as you can see, I lower the volume. If you press 2 times at your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2, I just pause it, 1, 2, and I play a song. If you press 3 times at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. If you press 3 times at your left earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, next we have press and hold. If you press and hold at your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have something you will call Bixby. So let's check it. Press and hold. And as you can see, my voice assistant awake. Then we have press and hold at the left earbud. And let me open EARFUN Audio app. So right here, and I will swap to the normal mode. Right here we have ambient sound control. If you use normal mode, you press and hold at your left earbud, you will swap to transparency. Then you can press and hold again and you will swap to ANC. And from ANC you swap to the normal mode. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it I forgot to tell you how to customize them. Okay, so in the main application you need to scroll down and go to customize controls. Also make sure that you do not disable all controls. Let's go right here, and let's say we have single press, double press, triple press, and press and hold. So you can add any feature, almost any feature, because let's say game mode you can add only for the triple press and hold. So let's do this. Let's say I want to add it for the right earbud. For the triple press I want to add game mode. Now let's return. Right here we have game mode here, so I press 3 times, 1, 2, 3. I just enable it, 1, 2, 3, and I disable this game mode. Now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!